Let me guess, you have brilliant ideas, but the second you try to speak up in a group, your heart races, your palms sweat, and your brain goes completely blank. You probably assume you are simply socially awkward. In reality, your brain's amygdala, the alarm center responsible for processing fear, is misinterpreting the conference room as a literal tiger attack. The most common advice to fix this is the terrible strategy to just fake it till you make it. This diagram illustrates cognitive dissonance. Your conscious mind, represented by the stable outer ring, projects control, but underneath, your subconscious is that red alert waveform, screaming danger. Because biology prioritizes survival, that internal alarm always violently overpowers any fake confidence. Confidence cannot be faked psychologically. To actually own a room, you have to mechanically wire your nervous system for pure executive control. When someone interrupts you or sharply challenges your position, your immediate biological instinct is to rush, correct them, and defend yourself. Rushing your response signals deep insecurity. It tells the room that you feel threatened by the interruption and are desperate to regain footing. High-value individuals do the exact opposite. They deploy a technique called the executive control pause. Instead of immediately fighting back, they deliberately slow down their cognitive processing. They take a physical beat, breathe, and deliver their answer with an entirely even pace. We see the same biological dynamic when it comes to saying no or setting a boundary. Most people immediately follow up a rejection with paragraphs of justification and apologies. Neurologically, this over-explaining is a threat response. You are trying to soothe the other person's discomfort to protect your own status because you fear losing their approval. Confident people never explain their no. Delivering a clean, simple boundary without a 500-word apology projects absolute internal authority. Subconsciously, a group always notices who tightens up first. Whoever maintains the most regulated nervous system under pressure automatically wins the invisible hierarchy. You also don't need to be the loudest person in the room to command it. Low-value energy constantly competes for attention by interrupting, over-talking, and laughing excessively just to secure a quick bond. This bar chart visualizes the 70-30 rule of communication. If you let others scramble to fill the chaotic 70% column, you reserve your own energy for the solid, dense 30%. Speaking rarely but with precise intentionality creates a magnetic gravity. When you allow attention to settle naturally, your words carry incredible weight. This works because of interpreted physiology. Under pressure, anxiety leaks out through micro-movements. You blink faster, shift your posture, and speed up your speech. You can eliminate these micro-movements by activating your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and digest network. You do this through a slow, deliberate exhale. That single breath sends a mechanical signal directly to your brain, confirming that your body is completely safe from social rejection. By training physical stillness, slowing your breath, and keeping gestures minimal, you project dominance. The brain directly equates a steady, unmoving physical presence with unshakable internal power. When you operate in a high-stakes environment with a calm, regulated nervous system, you stop reacting to the room and start directing it. Human beings are biologically wired to scan their environment for threats at all times. As a result of this constant subconscious scanning, the person in the room who appears the least threatened is universally perceived as the dominant figure. Confidence is not a performance, and you do not need to fake an executive persona. Confidence is simply safety, expressed through authenticity. Regulating your biology is what finally allows your true intelligence to speak without fear. If this video gave your brain a massive upgrade, hit that subscribe button to keep leveling up your mental operating system. Drop a comment below telling me which of these habits you are going to deploy in your next meeting, and speak with power.